Hi students, welcome to eStudents channel. So today in Java interview questions, what we are going to see is how do you swap two string variables without third or temporary variable. So this is more similar to swapping of two numbers, that is two integers without a third variable. Okay, come let's go and see the solution. So today we have the inputs for A as hello and B as world. So we have already printed it. So A equal to hello, B equal to world. But what is the expected output? A should be world and B should be hello. Okay. So before watching this video, give a try and then proceed. Okay. So moving on to the solution. What is the first step we are going to do is we are going to append the second string to the first. That is nothing but A equal to A plus B. So what it means, we have added two strings which will give us hello world. So it's better to use System.out.println because for the beginners, you should be aware of what you're doing, right? You should know what's happening in the code. So it's better to print it out. Okay. So each and every time I'm going to print it and execute for you guys. Okay. So what we got hello world. Okay. The second step, what we are going to do is we are going to subtract the hello alone from hello world and going to assign it to B. How we are going to do it? It's B equal to A dot substring in brackets 0 comma A minus length B length. So A minus B, we are taking the length here because we cannot subtract the strings, right? So we will be taking the length of A and length of B, and then we'll be subtracting it and having it. So how does this substring works? Okay, so how it works? So this substring has two parameters, right? So this two parameters, what it means, this is a beginning of your substring and this is your end of your substring. Okay, so beginning of your substring 0 means it's 0, that is h, right? Because each character is a like in length, if you see it's numbers 0 1 2 3, so 0 means h here. Okay, and like end value is 5. So how it minus the 5? So how it does is like it, while minusing it, minus it from like reverse, like here, like hello world. So this 5 characters WRLD would go out. So how it works? So substring concept, if you have to understand, it's a wider topic. Maybe you can leave in the comments like if you want a separate video for substring. So substring, how it works, let me tell you. So if you have, now we have the substrings of 0 comma length of A minus length of B is 5. Okay, so how we have it? Because hello world is 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And that is the A length. B length is word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are right. It's 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So how the substring works? So the substring is nothing but the substring of a string. That means like it's like how what is a string? So string is a like lot of characters, many characters together form a string. So from a string, we are taking a subordinate value, I can say maybe, or a sub value of that particular string. Okay. So here 5 minus 0 should be my substring value. That is from the primary string, that is hello world. I will be taking a substring which should have 4 letters. Sorry, made a mistake, 5 letters. That is 5 characters. So 5 characters should be my substring. So how I'm going to determine? So if you see my start value is 0, that is h. Okay, my end value is 5. Okay, 5. So how I will take this 5, you might think it's going to work in the reverse way, because like it starts from right to left, D L R O W. So till W I have to remove it. Okay, this is my substring. So which means then let's print the B value, maybe that can give you more clear picture. So let me print the B value. So you got hello. So this is how it works. So let's do more deep dive into substring, because you should know this concept for many other use cases. So let's put 1 here. So what is the value now? Okay, what is the value now? 1. So what is the start value? E is a start value, right? So if E is a start value, then minus 5 is my end value, because this is not going to change. So let's write it here. 5 minus 1 is 4. So my substring should be 4 letters, right? So here my start value will be E, just because I've given 1, and still my end value is 5. So it's from hello world, if I'm going to minus 5, it's W. So now let's print the B and C. So it's ELLO. So I hope you got the substring concept. If not, just let me know your feedbacks. We can have one more session on this. Okay. So the third step, what we are going to do is, now we have to assign A equal to word, right? We have to store the initial value of B in the string A. So A equal to A dot substring, that is hello world's substring. So here we are going to use only one parameter. You can see beginIndex. BeginIndex is b dot length. Okay, so b dot length, what does mean? What is the current B value? It's hello, right? So hello means it's 5 characters. So begin value itself is 5 for me. So I'll leave this. It's W, right? And I don't have the end value. There is no need to remove any values. So it'll read the word, and it would give you the answer. Maybe let's print it out and see how it works. So let's print a value. It's word. So it got swapped. So hope you have understand this concept. If not, just let me know so that maybe we can give more explanations and clarity on this. So I'm just removing, and I'll also make sure this program is available in the description box so that you can use it and you can explore it. I always would say play with the code so that you can understand the concepts. So let's print this. So before swap, it's hello world, but after swap, it's world hello. So to bring in more confidence in you, I'm going to give a random variable which is not equivalent value ABC. Let's give B, C, E, F, G. So the values are not equal here, right? So I'm printing it. So now you can see before swap it's A, B, C, D, C, E, F, G. But after swap, A is equivalent to B and B is equivalent to A. So any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll try to answer you all the questions. All the best for your interviews. Thank you.